barely sprinkling here at all. Maybe a light drizzle. We've had a little bit of steady rain here and there, but nothing really to film for, so maybe get some more lightning shots for a couple minutes and then call it a night. See what happens. Let's see how this turns out here. Amount of rain. Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't have expected that. It's picking up a good amount of rain on that light like that. Oh, there's some good lightning. Right as it turned it too, that was good. Right before the rains. Thunder with any of these storms, which is kind of interesting. There was a little bit out in the distance. It was kind of hard to hear, but I could hear just a tad off to the southwest. Alright, well that's going to be it for me then, everybody. It's like it's just going to be some light to steady rain the rest of the evening, so that's about it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Take care. Later.